Alright, bro. This shit ain't doing nothing. I think today's gonna be a slow day, but I hope we get Oh shit, I forgot about this. I hope we get I hope we can actually get a move though. Hold on, what when I get a chance, couple codeine, on my stance, easy on my vans, I can count it on my feet. Pull up on you too deep, real nigga ain't afraid to lose. Don't pull up on me with a friend, cause I ain't gon' choose unless you share. They confused on what I'm wearing. These VDs gotta be staring. Hey, these niggas out my session. Red stuff, coming my invention. From my redstone. Yeah, I talk to God, I don't like a left. That is what it is, but we gotta do it. Codeine, I can barely hold my stand. Yeah, bro, it's just chopping. It's not really doing shit. Wait, what the hell? Oh shit, what the hell? Damn, I clicked the wrong button, didn't I? And then I have to go into, oh, that's Discord, isn't it? Discord settings. But you can't mess around with the hotkeys on here. Hold on, where's,
Right alt. What? That's it. Right alt. And then gotta go into this real quick. Volume up, volume down. Next track, previous track. What's this button do? Play and pause. Copy and paste. I'm already using all the buttons, alright, whatever. Are we rallying right now? Right, alt. I don't know how I feel about this. Honestly, we have such a huge imbalance. This kind of looks weird. The 1 hour looks like trash. I mean, the 4 hour looks like trash. This is all you really have. 230. That's probably the only trade I'll probably take. Let me go in this chat real quick and see what the hell these niggas talking about.
take that London high. Excuse me. That London high and then trade S&P. Yeah, I hope that opens up on time today, right on the day. I think that was starting over here today. Nice sunshine. Slowly climbing 12,000. Great. Go back to the gym today. First time in like 2 weeks since I've been sick. You gotta take it slowly and don't rush back. No, I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna go do like today's just today will just be a little maintenance day. You know, maybe a couple sets of arms, a little bit of shoulders. Just stay away from the chest. Just the chest and go to the rest of it. And sorry guys if I'm coughing. Yeah, definitely, Kyle. That's a big job site to walk. Holy man. That's cool, eh? That's cool, bro. Made some money. So let's come in today and just be patient. See what happens. The coaching call today is just going to be Q&A, guys. So get your questions ready. We'll go over whatever you guys want. That makes bounce off that level. I would love to see something like this. This 24,597. Sweep without those equal lows. Bounce off this. We've already held that level once already. That would be ideal. But I feel like they're gonna run it. Yeah, I can see that.
I thought I put push to talk on. Is there no push to talk on this thing? How come I can't hear shit? You know, I'm having issues with my fucking mic. I can't hear a goddamn thing. By the way, y'all, that was a joke. Whoa! Look who entered the chat. Wait, hold on. Let me pull this up real quick, cause I can't actually see it. Yo, what's up, Angela? Okay, let me.
Just do that, right?
Dude, my microphone is not working. Yo, can y'all hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, yo, I was joking in the chat. Yo, I'm just trolling. I don't know if you read the message.
Nope.
Oh, I put it in the stream. What's up, man? How you doing?
Nah, he was messing around. He's like, yo, I just passed my 25K. How come it won't let me take the money out? I was
15 seconds.
Alright, let's watch this thing real quick.
See what we got.
Stop ES5.
Yep.
Stop NQ5. Stop ES5. Stop NQ5. Stop NQ5.
You know what, we will probably just.
Back to shore.
Stop NQ7. Stop ES5. Stop NQ5. Stop NQ5. Stop NQ7. Stop NQ7. Stop NQ7. Ice for ES5.
There we go. Dump it.
Stop NQ5.
There it is. Let's go. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Flush it.
Unfortunate.
Scaling out.
Unfortunate NQ7.
Stops a little bit after break-even, you guys.
Stop
Yo, did you catch it, Miles?
Yeah.
Let's go, bro.
Let's go.
About $600. I'm done. We didn't close above that that fair value gap right there, so as soon as I seen that, I wanted to sort. I wanted to see us close below that gap, and when we didn't, I just took it off. But still, solid trade.
Yeah.
Little 30, 40 points right off the open. That was beautiful, dude. We called it. We
Yeah.
called it, bro. I mean, that level, right? And exactly what's been happening the last couple days. Gotta go for it.
Yeah. We didn't get as much of a move as we got the last few days, but we still got something.
Yeah.
I'll
I
take
got
it.
a nice. I got a beautiful. You see the screenshot there? I still got one.
Oh,
one.
nice.
Yeah, I wanted to. If we had a close below that gap, I would have left everything on, but I'm happy.
Yep.
That's it, guys. That's how we do. Levels, beautiful.
Ice for NQ5.
We were ready for that today.
Unfortunate NQ buyers.
Wow. Dump it now.
Ice for NQ7.
If we close below this gap, I'm probably gonna add. Look at that. Let's go. Dump it.
Stop NQ7.
There we go. I'm trailing now. I'm all out, guys. Boom. Done for the day.
Big. Nice trade.
That's it. $600 in 3 minutes. I'm cool with that. Let's go. got it in and then just trailed at the end there. Oh, beautiful, guys. You're ready for that. Beautiful level rejection. That's it. Good day. Just drop my order execution here in the chats and then call it a day, you guys. I'm done. That was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm glad you caught that, bro.
Yeah, that was nice. I mean, it's exactly what we talked about. You know?
Exactly, bro. Exactly. All I was interested in today, you guys, was trading this level or these levels. So if you guys look the last couple days, I hope, shout out to Miles, because Miles is studying levels every day. If you guys look the last like few trading days, every single day we come up to a level real fast, reject it, and then dump to the downside. So
Okay, here we go.
playing what happened the last couple of days. So I said as soon if we come up and take this liquidity, I'm slapping that level. I'm not even waiting for confirmation. I'm just gonna slap it because it's repetition, right? The market repeats itself. So I was ready, hit that, and that was it. Scaled out at the fair value gap. Obviously, I could have left a little bit of a runner maybe, but it's all good. I added back in, so I'm on the 1 minute time frame up on my top screen. So right here, I scaled out, and I seen that this candle wasn't closing below that level. When we did close below this gap, I added more, and then this wick took me out. So I caught this move right here.
I might catch a break of you up here.
And my exit was right there. There's the trade, you guys. Nice 42 points. Beautiful. You can see the order execution there. That was a beautiful trade. I literally slapped that as soon as it hit the level. Not even hesitating. As soon as it hit it. If you look at that level, we've already rejected it once too, right? It's not like we're just randomly trading levels. If you look back, look at what it's done. It consolidated around this level, right? Broke above it, came up. What did it do here? Traded down, retested the level, pushed back down. Right? We have liquidity here, price comes up. Meets our buy side, and I think we had S&T on that buy side screen too. Let me see here. Yep, we had S&T too. So we swept this, we got our S&T and TS. That's it, guys. You know what I mean? Like just quick 600 bucks. Nice, yeah, beautiful. OTE, exactly. Perfect exit, bro.
Where's the
Who caught it?
Oh, that's a beautiful trade.
People like caught it. I don't think y'all are ready for that one. Yeah. Drop some ones. At least if you got a few, drop some
33.
ones in the chat if you did catch that level rejection stuff. So we got a few like that. Bam! Rejection level, short to the downside. That's it. 3 minutes into the day and we're done.
Mate, what a beautiful trade. I got in a bit late, but I took the technically M2.
Yeah, beautiful. Which is good. You could have.
We are hella choppy right now.
11 points.
Nice. Yeah, you could have waited, like you guys. You know what I mean? I was slapping that. Like me and Miles literally were like, listen, if I see this happen, I'm doing this.
Oh, they took an inverse.
I'm slapping this trade no matter what. 25095. I was looking at order flow too. As soon as we came up there, we had a wall of sellers. So, but you could have waited for the.
I'm not really liking anything just yet.
Right. So we have the 2 minute candle close right here. This candle opens. You could have got in anywhere here. Boom. And you would have flushed that to the downside, right? So you could have smacked that to the downside too. That would have been 50 points. So either way, you could have got 40 or 50 points out of that, whether you hit the actual buy right when I did, or if you took the proper confirmation. So that's it, guys. No, not. I don't know. It's every trade's risky, right? It's just that. What have you been seeing the last couple days, right? We've seen this. It's repeatable setups, right? So I mean, yeah, I mean, if you don't think that this SMT, the buy side liquidity and the level are enough to give you confirmation that it's too risky for you, then you just don't take it, right? For me, that's my move. So when I see that level, when I see that SMT, when I see that confirmation, that signature and price, whether it's a high risk market or not, I'm gonna take the trade. You know what I'm saying, bro? So I mean, but it's all individual, right? Like this is my, I love this. These are the setups I love. When we come up, sweep liquidity, reject the level, especially when we've been seeing it every day. Like yesterday, the exact same thing. The day before that, the exact same thing. Couple days last week, exact same
I mean,
thing,
okay,
right?
hold on, bro.
So I mean, if
Where's
you
the,
feel like the way the market is and everything, yeah, it's a risky market right now. If you feel it, you just don't take it, right? But for me, that was a snipe. Every no problem snipe for me.
To be fair, it did that yesterday as well, right?
What's that?
I said it did that same thing yesterday. Hit a level.
Exact same thing.
Yeah, just go.
The thing about the market, it's all about repeatable setups, you guys. So if you see something happen every day and it's at one of your potential models, like you gotta take it. Like yesterday, I was pissed that I missed that. Who would have fucking played yesterday? And today, I didn't even care. I like look at I'll take the screenshot here. I'll post another one. Look at I didn't even have a limit. I was just watching that level. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in the chat so you guys can see. And I literally slapped that with no limit right at the level. I was just ready.
I'm trading. I'm using prop accounts, so trading in prop firms. You know what that is?
But you see that cell right there, right at the level.
Okay, so I'm trading futures right now. Like futures, which is NASDAQ. This is gold. This is ES. This is silver. And
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. Level rejection. Sorry, Bear Grylls, I read that wrong. Yeah,
nope. Okay. Okay. So
I mean, listen, you guys, like, ultimately when it comes down
simplest way to explain it. Okay, so number one, I'm trading futures. That's the first thing. Number two, I'm trading prop firms. And prop firms are essentially firms that give you money to trade with, and then they give you a percentage of the profits that you make. So it allows you to take. What the hell is this? Oh. So it allows you to trade with a bunch of money. So I'll give you an example. Let me yeah. So as you can see here, where's the show? I have like I'm funded with 5.5 million. These are all prop accounts, and they let you trade with this money, and then you just take the profits, and they take 10%. I can explain more like later in like Discord, if you join my Discord, but that's what allows me to take all this leverage. Like I'll give you an example. Let me pull it up here. If we go to Lucid.
that was sick. You just have to keep looking at what's going on too, right? Like look at right here. So obviously, like, are we gonna keep holding this when we have S&T? No, we're not. You just take those profits, right? That's all there is to it.
Yeah, but it's gonna front me.
Yeah, so basically, I'm waiting for this thing to break out to the upside, but you can see here, like, this company will give you 25,000. It costs like what, $70, and you can buy 5 of these accounts, so you can get funded with 500,000, or sorry, 100,000. And then with this 100,000, they want you to make 1250. If you make 1250, you pass. They'll give you the money, and then you can basically. All you have to do then is just make $200 a day, and you can pay yourself like 5 G's a week. But that's kind of like the gist of it.
I'm done for the day. I'm taking one trade today and I'm walking away. One great trade and one I'm happy I'm up.
took it on one mic, it's not A plus.
Oh, there we go. We got a level here at 68.35. I might have to go long.
See the A plus that you would have had for it, but
Yeah, it's not A plus. So like, what I looked at when I was looking at the 30 second, we just took out a bunch of lows, and then there was like a small 2-minute gap. I felt pretty good about it just because there's so many draws higher, and like I know we were probably gonna leave that 9:30 wick. So like the setup that failed yesterday, that happened.
Yeah, if you call me later, I can explain better, or you're gonna have to like join my Discord because it's gonna take a minute, but to really wrap your head around it. But
So I saw it and I was like, I might as well give it a try.
yeah.
I got stuck
What I
trailing.
what I like about it is this, bro. So we have this swing low right here, swing high. We got the discount range, and we created equal highs. Look at this London high and this wick here came down.
dude, I'm really not liking any of this. Although like if I throw VWAP on,
Shot, so that's solid.
like there was a VWAP trade here,
Structure on ES.
80 points to the upside.
Nice, dude.
And you gotta trail that as soon as it hits 9:30 wick. Like we're probably gonna go up to the 130s, 160s, like pretty quickly.
That's such a bad like environment to trade right now.
Fucking look for more 50 point
Now
trades.
the only thing is, if we hadn't have taken these highs on London,
Oh shit.
right? Once we've taken these, that's it, bro. So I mean, I think we can go higher, but it's going to be some restriction now, right? We've already taken all that liquidity, so that's what the pump was right there. So look at that stuff, guys, right? So if you are looking at taking a buy setup here, look at that. You gotta look at that stuff. You can't just you can't just stare at this right here. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody like, you know, you gotta look.
Okay, so you have NQ that's choppy.
Right, you wanna talk about sniper?
So I don't know if I'd be interested in this M2 buy above this level. I might look for like some kind of solid retest just because we did take both Asia and London highs, and those are equal highs, right? They're both stacked right there. So
You wanna hear something disgusting, dude? 2-minute chart. If you go to the 940 candle, my fill was 25.047. Dude, that is sniper shit right there.
nice.
Holy fuck, what an entry.
I'll send you the link for it. Hold on. Bro, this is not really my ideal setup. Ideally, I want to see like a break of this range for me to take a trade. Because this is pretty
Oh,
big.
Good to be done, one and done. That was a nice trade, you guys.
148.
Long rejection. Right out the open, I love those.
I probably should have took it on like 2 instead of just 1, but this is the first day I've had both of these accounts copied, so I wanted to, and I didn't really like the market like at open, dude. Like all that accumulation, like you can just never tell which way it's gonna go.
Yeah.
Like I tried the inversion to go down, like off the 2-minute sell that you guys took, because I thought we were gonna run all the way down and try to get these like unmitigated and London, New York, PM and AM lows. But as soon as it failed, I was like, I got break even. I got no shot.
Oh, nice. Yeah, bro. All morning. Love it. Let's go.
And you thought you were bored yesterday. Think about how bored you're going to be today.
Yeah.
No. I got my cleaner coming today, so we're gonna clean the sick in my house.
Just follow the cleaner around.
Yeah. I kind of bother her sometimes, I think, to be honest. I'm like, I'm kind of a talkative guy, right? Like, I'm like I'm an introvert and I'm an extrovert too. So when she's here, I'm just talking to her about this and that, and, you know. I think she's probably like, shut up and let me fucking work. Last time she left, she didn't even tell me. She's like, I had to go. She's like,
I don't want you to say bye to me.
Yeah, that's fun.
yeah.
Fucking.
I'm gonna clean my dump here, quickly take him back below the level.
Gotta get through ES though.
Oil starting to pump.
I almost took that short blow.
Oh, that's a long.
Just see, it was just complete restrictions there, right?
I'm in it on my backup funded.
Nice, bro.
You know the rules though, dude. I mean, I'm not even risking 20% of my profit.
Yep, you're good at that, bro.
It's
You're
super
good at that.
Oh, that's mad choppy, dude. What the hell?
The fuck that, I'm done. Oh, it's probably gonna dump.
Yeah, I'm done. Taking my $600 and paying myself tonight. That's it.
Yo, Brad, I'm gonna send you what I sent Miles yesterday, dude. I was crying laughing at this shit. Like I was telling you in our one-on-one, him and I were talking about over trading stuff, dude, and then I came across this meme. It's so funny.
Yo, hey, you guys, I just want to say I appreciate all you guys, like waiting a little bit for the one-on-ones, just because I haven't been feeling good and stuff. It means a lot. Appreciate y'all. But starting next week and the week after. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I started going on about it yesterday, but I just didn't end up telling the whole story. So next week, the guys that I work with, man, Joel and Jaden, actually, they're super cool. They've been helping me do the high-ticket stuff, and they just do all the calls and everything like that. They're flying to Toronto next week, man. We got an Airbnb for a couple nights. I'm taking them up to the CN Tower restaurant for the night. And then we got a podcast studio booked next Thursday morning. Or Friday morning. Yeah, I'm leaving Thursday and I'm back Friday night. So it's kind of cool.
Can I go?
Jaden's from Florida and Joel's from Philly. So they're good guys, man. Really good to work with. That's kind of dope. So next week I'm kind of fucked Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I get a line trade in the morning, but I can't do any calls or do anything. Just heading up there and doing that. Fuck yeah. Look at that maiden there, big girl. Holy.
Yo, are you headed to work right now, Angela?
That's weapon.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck you, Nasdaq, dude. Look at it go.
Yeah, I know. We traced to the 1 minute gas and donkey.
Brad, my fill was fucking 82. Just came up, took me out break even, dude. Fuck. Whatever, I got my cash. Oh my fucking god.
Yeah, that was a nice short.
All the way down.
Let's see what it wants to do.
Man, I sniped that one.
Dude, you even made me nervous. I was like, this is a crazy trade. Right and open, I was like, holy, but dude, it all lined up. Like, there, you able to set through volatility.
I don't know, I'm just not a fan of trading in a range like this, I'm not gonna lie.
Would you take it on right?
It's not really ideal.
Yeah, 10 micros.
And we
Kinda
have,
do like 5 or 10 micros lately, it all depends. Today, I kind of like structure a little bit more today. Like, I'll be honest, I really like structure today, you guys. Like, when I see this, when we have some clear swing lows, liquidity.
Wait, when's the next? Oh, in 8 minutes we have some news. 8 minutes and 30 minutes.
You know, like, it's
I don't know, dude. I'm not really liking this. This is kind of trash, to be honest.
I was gonna say it was a good day to like add a little bit of size, right? And I say that hesitantly because I don't want to screw anything, but like if you look at the candles around it, right? Like pre-market, last night and stuff. These candles are a lot more in control.
Yeah.
They're not like we don't have any really weird wicks, like 150 something points. Like we got a couple that are like 30 points, but that actually is normal.
Yeah.
To me, that means the market.
Okay, well I just missed a short there. I should have took that. That was 47 points.
But if we run an inside day again today, I know Trump's gonna do
Ah, shit. I could have took that. I would have been done for the day if I took that short right there.
Yo, Miles, you need to take that with 6 micros.
No, I think that person was 2.
Yeah, I would have been done. You know what? In fact, I'm gonna take a short right here. Stop right there.
Beautiful. That was a nice short. Honestly, guys, that was. I almost thought about taking it, to be honest, bro. It just looked good. You know what I mean? Yeah. Levels.
I'm in.
Everybody else is trying to.
Order filled. Order filled.
But we got these levels, guys.
We also had a 2-minute index.
Yeah, that's why we didn't have mine.
Right there.
Another trade that I gotta get rid of like the habit of like not being able to hold it. Like you gotta hold that. There's no drawdown there.
Yeah, dude, when you were like, oh, I just got stopped out, I had almost moved my stop. I'm like, you know what? I told myself I'm going to be okay. You're going too fast. Like, let this stop you off fully.
See, this is is nice. This is why I hope. Did everybody try and take the long above these levels to take these highs? Did anybody take that? Try to anyway. Yeah, once we have this liquidity taken on ES and then it's not high probability, right? So then we wait for the short below the level. We have this gap right here. We have a conversion. We have an internal sweep. We have all that liquidity taken. We're testing the level. Today's sweep is clean, you guys. It's super clean. We're open. We failed to go higher. Obviously, we failed because we take that liquidity. I'm very positive we had in the take of this liquidity here. This would push it up for it, but we don't take that, right? Yeah, good stuff, Donnie. Solid forward, solid forward. We check the level again. Internal sweep. Come down.
Are they waking up right now? Yeah, I gotta get you on this, bro, because like this is the most efficient way to start trading without your own money. If I can get a dump here, then that'll be good. I'll be done for today. We're just looking to actually make about. Wait, this is 33.50. Yeah. We just need ES to dump here. We don't really have much liquidity. We actually have some at 69.15, so price actually might go a bit higher here. If we can get to that 68.05 NASDAQ, we're pretty much at the low here. I'll take 80 real quick. Come on, when is this candle? 11 seconds. Get this candle to close. Oh, there goes ES. It's pushing back higher here.
So I really, are you guys doing that? Like you're not just doing this, right? Like realistically, sometimes you need to look and just see where level is. Like look at if we jump out on the 30 minute.
Okay, we just got to pump from ES. We might have a downside here.
Taking bets with us every day. Like I was well aware that this level was protected multiple times. Like look at that.
Yeah, I missed that short at the top there.
He zooms in all the time, guys. I know I sound like a broken record, but I'm just trying to get you guys thinking like I'm thinking every day.
Dude, I literally put a timer on my desk.
Okay, so I'll take that for now.
Order
That's
filled.
2,400.
Because I'm getting close. Order filled.
That's a short. I only need two 40-point trades to make this work. The out there was 25.08.
Started trading these levels. Because like honestly, bro, and you even went through it too. These levels are really easy to trade. I'm telling you right now, probably the most simple trading strategy there is.
What was that out? Oh wow, look at that. I got out right before I jumped. That's crazy. 25.08.
You can't just see a level and expect every buy and sell to hit. And once you actually realize that, and you look at the structure like you got the trade you took, you'll be like, yeah, okay, it's starting to make
I might take another short here in a second. Yeah, I got lucky on that out. Okay, we gotta pay this. I need another, how much more? Let's see. Another 16 points. Okay, so that was a quick jump on ES. Here, let me see this real quick. It's still like super trash. Like I did miss the best trade already. I kind of missed it, which was kind of like this. Okay, hold on. Okay, this was the best trade right here. This double top. Price spiked up here at the open. Double top there. I should have took this right here. And actually, I was actually contemplating taking a trade right about here. So I would have made 50 points, but I'm just gonna be patient. We have like all day. Well, actually, I don't have all day, but I have like another.
Couple days we've been on point.
Wait, hold
And
on.
obviously you took that loss, but I still would have taken that loss. I still would have taken that
25.
trade.
Yeah, I just need like 25 more points and I'm good.
For confirmation on the one that I took.
We're already up about
I don't really let
24.
One good thing, man, you guys got a mentor that like I can lose my own money and be completely fine with it. Like I don't give a shit about losing prop for money. I hate saying that, but when you trade your own cash and you lose, you know, thousands of dollars when you lose, like it, you know,
Okay.
it's,
Dude, what's wrong with my mouse?
you gotta accept it. It sucks. It sucks, you guys.
Yeah, I'll teach you how to trade features, Angela. Call me on your break or something, and I'll tell you what video to watch if you have time at work or whatever.
Exactly. bro.
Mark's not doing shit.
As if I have not done that.
I had some comment the other day. Sometimes Instagram, you guys, like, sometimes these people, man, they're so fucking, they just low key hate. So I took that loss, right? I took that $700 loss.
Okay, here's another short here I might take.
I ended up only being a $250 loss on the day.
Hold on, let me.
Because I took that Trump move at night, right? But still, I took 3 trades and one was a loss and 2 were, you know? And I took the one loss and then I took a win and I was still red on the day. Because that first loss I was down $1,100. And then the second trade I ended up making a little bit more money. And during our trading session I closed at -7, 720 or something it was. And then of course there's some people on Instagram, they're like, bro, how do you take 2, a win and a loss and have such a big loss? I'm just like, bro,
Order filled.
trade.
Order filled.
12 trades in a row where I win. I don't give a shit about having a bigger loss than 2 or 3 of my wins because my hit rate is probably fucking triple what yours is, you know? It really irked me. I was like, I hated it because it was true. Like realistically, it's like I couldn't. I know I'll be honest. I hated it because that Instagram development I see it. Yeah.
All right, my stop's a bit tight, but I think we might have it here. If we can just get another leg down. I'm only looking for not even like 25 points. Yeah. We'll see. I think ES is going higher here, so and we might get a bounce. We're at the lows here on Nasdaq. We could easily get a bounce. I don't know if I'll take another short if I get stopped out here. I'll probably just wait a bit, honestly, because ES is going higher here. I'm not really liking this. This is not good. Come on, just give me like... Oh, we're getting a bounce on ES and Nasdaq, but I'm looking at the delta. The delta's negative on the bottom here. So, but we're not really moving. There's no real volume.
No one cares.
Who's that? Oh yeah.
Made a bunch of money from like that Charles Schwab exploitation strategy. Fucking bought Lamborghini from had some dealership.
Buy stop.
Guess what I'm doing?
Yeah, my stop's a bit high here, but
Before, I needed new tires, but when I went to Acura, I was like, I could probably just get away with a couple right now. So I just bought 2, but now this year I'm buying the other 2. So now I'll have 4 new tires over the last 2 years. That's how we roll, baby.
Congrats, bro. That's it. I actually just found a nail.
yeah, we're getting a double bottom here on Nasdaq right now.
What, like a fingernail?
But they're about to take me out. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out for sure. I mean, look at this 5-minute candle here. And then look at NASDAQ on the bottom. All the liquidity sitting at this $25,000 level. I should have looked at that before I got into the position here. Yeah, ES is going all the way up higher too. Alright, I'm probably going to be good for a little bit. Alright. We'll hold this position for a while until we get a bit more sense of what's going on here.
Doesn't like it. You know what I mean? What matters to me is like if I want to go for a steak dinner tonight, I can go. Like I got a cleaner that comes every other week. I can store my tires in a fucking tire shop whenever every year. It doesn't matter. Little things like that are what really matter to me, right? Just whatever makes my life a little bit easier and free. Like I'm trying to pay my rental off. Like I got a duplex. I only owe like $260K on you guys. That's pretty good. Like I know that maybe some people are like that's a lot of money, but realistically, like this thing was like $600,000 at one time, and it's down to 250. You know what I mean? Like that's more important to me. Shit like that, like paying that off. Like I just went to the bank and invested like $100K into fucking a bunch of different like Boo and S&P 500. Like I'm trying to turn 130K into like 600K in 10 years. You know, shit like that is more important to me than buying a fucking watch or buying a chain. Like I got a Vans shirt on right now that I've been wearing for like 5 years. So you know what? It fits nice. It looks new still. So I would like fucking buy a new one. You know, like don't get me wrong. I'll go. Like last weekend I went and fucking hit the OVO store and bought some shit. Spent like $500-600. But when I do that, I'm like, all right, I'm good. Like I got some summer shit. I'm good for like 6 months. You know? So that's what you guys should be like thinking about. Like fuck all the fancy bullshit. Like just whatever makes your life a little bit easier. Spend money on that. You know what I mean? Like your family, your friends, yourself, shit like that. You know?
And shit that like saves you time if you're gonna reinvest that time into like learning or work or
Damn, no, bruh. I can't even go short here because they just swept that level. I knew I should have put my stop up here, but I still would have got stopped out.
Yeah, you know what it is for me? Like I buy a coffee like every morning. It's like $4 or $5, but I could make it at home. But you know what it is, dude? It's like there's a bunch of Spanish dudes and like girls that work at this press cafe down there. And I'm one of the very few people that goes in there that actually speaks fluent Spanish. And so like, dude, when I walk in there, they already know how I take my coffee, dude, and they have it ready. So when I walk over there, I just grab it, chat it up with them for like 3 minutes. It's shit like that, you know what I mean? It makes your
2 to 2.4, that's crazy. Some of my accounts are 400 different.
Oh yeah. I mean, there's a lot of people. I don't think I've ever told you that, Miles. Yeah, like, the community knows. I told you a long time ago.
I did
Yeah.
not know that. That's crazy.
Yeah, dude, Miles. I'm just some white Irish guy. But
That's awesome, dude.
yeah.
Papi Pino.
I used to open and close. Like I used to build Chick-fil-A's from the ground up. Chick-fil-A, dude. So like, when I hit one time, like the last guy I ever worked for was like right in Boston. And I was like went from $300 his first month.
Yeah, I still have the same number.
5K, straight profit like 3 months later. Nuts. And then he was getting pretty greedy, dude. He's trying to expand his business, and people are like trying to take time off or whatever. And so he's
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, they just literally stopped me out
well, I'm gonna look
just to push this thing lower. I can't even take a short because as long as I have these orders sitting up at 68.22, I don't really feel that great about taking a short.
and they were great people, right? So that's why I hired him. But he was also job security. Every time you need to give someone a raise or promote someone, it's like I can't talk to them. I'm like, oh no problem. Like just bring them up the office. I'll translate. Just fucking smart on you, man. That was you.
That's slick one. Real
Yeah.
slick.
A lot of them still work there. It's actually pretty sweet. So,
Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Se me llamo Brad.
that's like everyone says like whenever I tell people I hesitate to tell people that because they're always like, yo, say something, and I'm like, bro, it doesn't like work like that.
Hold on, bro.
Like, fuck, Spanish.
Hey, how are you? My name is Brad. I know the little things.
Wow. I knew I should have took that.
Absolute banger day. Called out like 5 trades on stream.
If I had sat in that position with a higher stop, I would have been fine.
Didn't put risk on. Oh, paper traded this. Right.
Well, like, I don't know, man. I think it's crazy, like, the money that guy has. Like, if I made fucking, I see he was saying he made like 400K a month for like affiliate pay, mainly affiliate pay and a bunch of stuff, right? Like, if I made 400K a month, you guys best believe I would be trading with 100K. That's just how I am. I'm like fucking great. Like, I'm confident I can make 40, 50K off this 100K this month. I just don't understand why he's not like that. Like, you're a trader, bro. Like, fuck all the other shit. You're a trader, dude. You're a day trader. Be a trader. And I love that. I think he's great. He's a great trader. But just be a trader sometimes. You know what I mean? I got a lot of respect for the traders that are traders. Yeah?
Yeah, like me.
Yeah, 43.
Dude, you see Dodgy was hanging out with Coco Goff?
Yeah.
I'm like, what the fuck, dude? How is that?
Dude, I sincerely feel like he just ran into Coco Goff at like a Top Golf.
You think so?
Yeah, I bet. 'Cause what the fuck would a tennis player and a trader be doing hanging out? Not to
I don't
mention
know.
money.
When you got money like that, I feel like your circle gets sort of filled with people that have money.
Well, to be honest, I'm not sure what I want to do here.
No way.
I could have added in and let that runner go a little bit. It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah, that 2 minute dude.
I mean, I'm still up 1,300 for the day, so I don't know if I should just walk away, because this shit is so...
It's kind of tough, dude. Like, that's something not only my pot.
Like, we're not moving at all, and let me take a look at the calendar to see what we got going on this week.
But at the same time, you're like,
Core CPI.
got out of the round. We got a big one too with a 50-pointer. I don't know how quickly I can turn around and just be like, alright, fuck it, 60 points the other way.
Oh, we have CPI on Friday? Okay, hold on here.
Bro, like, ultimately,
What did I write?
you should come in, take our trade, and then just chill out.
CPI. That's on. Why is it on Friday?
Score two. It was super clean, but I'm just gonna. The thing is, if you take it and it goes against you, you're gonna be really upset with yourself, right? Is it really worth it? Like, you literally caught a beautiful trade, 50 points, and then you see the level print again. Do you really want to
Wait, what did I make yesterday?
take that money and walk away? I mean, ultimately the goal is to keep money in this game.
Let me see.
Take the next trade and it goes against us, you're gonna be upset with yourself.
Because this is actually really trash. Price action, and honestly, it's not even a trend day. It's not even worth participating.
Break 95, and like old me, dude, I would have been like, dude, I'm gonna long the shit out of this, and then I'd get smoked.
Yeah, that's why we've talked about it so much today. But why wouldn't we, Mac? Explain it. Because I want other people in here to know why too.
I mean, so like what I would do is like chop your chart, like go to the 1 minute and go like 830 all the way to the left. We're way in premium. We've already taken liquidity, right? Like we've taken out session highs on ES too, right? Like, yeah, will some of this other liquidity get hit at some point today? Sure, but like we're way overextended. Like if you look at those last 3 1 minute candles, the bottom one barely has a wick. The 941 candle.
It's a 45-point range, and
straight up
until we get some sort of thing that develops on this right here,
that move. So if you really want to long it,
I can't take any position, really. But we do have a level here at 68.10 for ES. So,
Just the liquidity alone. Like if you see that we've taken these equal highs on NQ and Asia ES and London ES, I mean, how much farther are we gonna push through that? Yeah, it could rip. We have some clear highs up here that I really wanted to be tagged, and if we get above this level, I felt like we could do that. But I don't want this liquidity taken. I don't want this taken at all. I want price down here. I need to see price down in this area right here.
yeah, it's kind of a...
I don't see that, then it's less probability that we're gonna get a continuation buy, and I'm looking for short.
Now we just swapped that level over here.
It's pretty simple, you guys. And if you did take that long, there's nothing wrong with it. You just have to be aware of that next time. Just you're probably if you did take it, you know, because that was part of my game plan. Part of my game plan is if we get above this level, I'm looking for those equal highs up here. I'm looking for these highs right up here. But we already took liquidity on yes. You know, we're not showing. We didn't
Now it wants to go lower, 68.05. Okay, they are taking it lower, but it's not really providing me with any kind of opportunity here.
What fucks a lot of people up, dude, is, oh shit, I actually forgot what I was gonna say. Never mind. That was weird. I'm like three-dimension, dude.
Yeah, this is kind of trash. I'm not gonna lie. This is actually trash as fuck. I'll probably stay till. Oh, what time do I have to leave? 10:30.
Dude, are we finally 15 minutes?
Damn, I'm not gonna lie. All I had to do was just put my stop a little higher, and that would have been fine. Now they're sending it down to 68.05, all the way down to 24,975. I don't know if I want to take a short here. That's kind of
I don't care what happens down here though, you guys. One and done for me. I mean, trade if you want, but I wouldn't. If you guys took one, if you guys shorted that level today, why bother even trading the levels down below, right? So.
I wanted this short into this trend line liquidity and London low, dude, but I'm not gonna get an opportunity, I don't think.
Yeah, I don't know, dude.
Unless I just short it right now.
Yeah, I kind of missed
Alright,
my.
guys, we're done. Done our day before 10 a.m. Beautiful level rejection. You guys all made some money?
Yeah, multiple accounts.
Yeah. Finally bank some money.
Oh yeah. Nice guy.
Beautiful. That's what it's all about, guys.
I guess it's all about CPI then.
Done. Execute our model and walk away. That's all there is to it, right? So beautiful day. I'm pretty sure everybody caught the short. We took the first opening print up to the level rejection, and then we actually had another internal sweep and then a short back below the level. I didn't take the second one. I know some people did. And if you didn't take the first one, that's fine. That's good. It's a little more pressure off the open, but hopefully you guys did catch the second one because the second one was a beautiful face downside. So that's it. Just take our money and enjoy the rest of our day.
Dude, I made so much today. I texted my boss and told him to just watch his mouth around me from now on.
Nice.
Hey, bro. Keep your thought, man. Watch your mouth.
Bro, do you not feel like now that you're making money trading, that you're less stressed at work?
Yeah, dude. Actually, so I'm in a bit of a unique position where, like, I have the capacity to move my career forward pretty far. Like right now, like if I get one of these jobs that I'm looking to apply for, it's like I'll end up making a lot more money and then being able to trade a bit heavier. But what I will say about work, dude, is like I was taking a walk this morning. I didn't realize like how flexible my job actually is, and like I'm not as worried about it. You know what I mean? Like I go for a walk, come here, trade, make some money, and then I go work like 4 or 5 hours. But I clock the whole thing. Like I charge definitely every minute of that. But fucking, I will say like I'm waiting for the time where like I can walk in to the charts every morning and not be nervous.
Okay, well that's kind of upsetting. I'm not gonna lie, cause I was in that trade, I got stopped out, and now it's running without me, so I can't really do anything about it. I should be up 100 points right now. Where was my entry? Hold on. My entry was. I got stopped out in this candle. My entry was what? 25.18, and I got stopped out at what? 42. Damn, that was my stop? Just like that. Are you fucking kidding me? That's kind of retarded, I'm not gonna lie. If anything, my stop should have been like... That's 50 though. I'm not... Like, even here, I would have got stopped out. Like, I would have got stopped out still. But the entry was shit, and I should have took an entry here. It should have been like this. And I would have been out at 50 points. Yes, it was kind of tricky today, I'm not gonna lie. So we'll have to wait and see.
You've been locked in for a long time.
Yeah, I was one of those people who were just stubborn. Like I had to have that conversation. It was like, you need to be doing this, you need to be doing that, X, Y, Z. And once I started like really writing everything down and taking time to process the information, like at night when I return, or like when I get back to the gym and stuff, that was kind of good.
All right, well, I'll give it to like probably 9, 8.
You got your funders and now you don't fuck around.
Oh, what up, chat? What up, Mello?
Single time. Like,
What's happening?
tell people that like you don't realize the power of being consistent with the same size and the same setups every single day. Like some days you're not gonna have big days. Some days Zach has a $40, $50 day, but he's okay with it. He's happy with it. He's still getting his money in his funded. He's still, working towards payouts and he's not starting over on the evals every time, right? So I mean, I'll be honest, you guys, you gotta go for it on the evals sometimes. You got to. Like that's all there is to it. Like they don't have to. Like you can trade an eval properly if you're a newer.
What the hell? Oh, you're at work. Things are they're going alright today. Just working on getting paid. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I thought that guy. With the wheels. I'm currently up 1,000 today. Trying to get to my goal is to have this entire month green. If I can have this entire month green, then life's gonna be good. So that's kind of what I'm up to right now. Bro, okay, so I took one trade. Okay, I made I think over 2,000 on that trade, and then I gave back a little bit on the second trade. And I really should have I should have hit this for 56 points. So now I'm just sitting here just waiting, and I don't know if I'll take another trade. The market's not really moving right now. I think we're gonna wait for CPI, which is inflation numbers on Friday. If I take a look at here, if I look at the report that I made, market goes into heavy day week with key CPI, core PC, alongside labor markets. Okay, let's take a look at this. It says, yeah, so CPI Friday, primary market moving release, whether inflation continues or any sign of sticky service or wage, kind of whatever. Yeah, so the market's not going to really move till tomorrow, just because. Wait, what day was this? This was yesterday, right? Wednesday. Yeah, we didn't really move yesterday, did we? Or we kind of did. We moved like 327 points. That's a lot. But we just had this super big move, and this is because of the peace in Iran. So because the peace in Iran, we moved about 1,000 points. So now the market's not really moving. It's gonna wait for CPI tomorrow. But I'll pull up what else. All the greens. No, so as a prop trader, you get paid out a percentage of the profit you make. So with these accounts that I have, I'll give you an example. Let me pull this up here. Actually, I can just show you on this screen, right? So if you can see this on the screen right here, what you're looking at is I have 23 funded accounts. Let me go to my thing. So, okay, so I'm funded with 23 funded accounts, okay, and I'll explain how it works. If I go back to here. Okay, so I've funded with two different firms. One firm I have 18 accounts, the other firm I have 5 accounts. And so these 5 accounts right here, the ones that say Lucid 25, Lucid, 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 these 5 right here, this company will allow me to pay myself around anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 a week, like max $5,000 a week. And then this company here, the one at the bottom, their max payout is like $60,000 a week. So you can pay yourself anywhere from like $10,000 a week to $63,000 a week. But that's USD, so that's like, I don't know, like 15 grand Canadian to 80,000 Canadian, and they'll let you pay yourself that every week. You just have to make a certain amount of money. So basically, these accounts, if you look at the balance, these are at 25.4. So I have about $600 more to make on these accounts, or just under 600 on these 5 accounts, and I'll probably pay myself like, I don't know, I might pay myself $3,000 next week, or I might pay myself $6,000 depending. And then on these accounts, I have a couple more thousand to make on these bottom accounts, and then I'll probably pay myself from these accounts between like 15 to 25,000. That'll probably be like in a week or so. So, dude, this thing is actually dumping, bro. What the fuck? Oh my days. What am I doing here, bro? I'm not even paying attention. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I can't. Oh, god damn it, bro. I can't even chase either. Like, we just had this on the 2-minute. Are you guys still in the chat?
Structure. And look at what's going on ES also too, right?
We are headed lower, and I'm just thinking to myself like,
London, we took Asia,
damn, I knew I was right about the direction. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
but if you take
Yeah, basically, whenever you pay yourself, it goes to your bank account. They wired it over. That's why I gotta talk to you, bro. That's why you gotta call me after work or whatever. I can explain it to you. I can get you funded with 100,000 in capital, and like if you get funded with 5 accounts, like for example, wait, what screen are you looking at? Yeah, so if you get funded with these 5 accounts here, which might, and you don't have to buy 5, but you can buy like 1, which costs like 60 or 70. But if you were to buy 5 of these accounts and you were to copy trade them, right? And after you pass the evaluation, this company will allow you to pay yourself like 6,000 Canadian a week if you just make $200 a day, right? So, dude, this thing is actually dumping. I have to get involved. Hold on. I'm gonna try not to chase, but damn, I can't believe I missed the best entry, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yep, there you go. Yeah, good stuff.
Damn. And on top of that, we had like a breakup structure right here, so this is ideally like the best place to take a trade.
We will have a big S&T. We take that.
big SMT, and we'll tap into this 15-minute gap.
Yeah. I got that 15. I like that gap too. We already respected it multiple times, so.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Okay, look, what do we have here? We have 6802, 6800, and Nasdaq's at 950 yet. We still haven't hit that.
Setups are just like when that happens on like a 1-minute gap.
I might take
you
this,
tap
bro,
into it,
for real.
reject it, but then inverse it. I'm like, okay.
I might be retarded for taking this, but I might take it.
It's clearly an area that price reacts to quite a bit.
Oh shit.
Man, what a great morning. Beautiful. Jump down to the 1 hour is gonna look so nice on that level.
Okay, let's wait for this 15-minute to open up before I make a decision here.
Fuck yeah.
Because this 2-minute obviously looks attractive, but
I made $100 on both fundeds.
Nice, dude. Beautiful. Solid, bro. How many micros were you trading?
Bro, one.
Oh, good, man. $100, bro. $100, no stress. You're up almost 2,000 in one funded, dude. You're fucking gonna be soaking payouts. This month is gonna be another month where you're making money trading, bro. Last month, what did you do? You made money trading. This month, I can guarantee you right fucking now, bro, you're gonna be making money trading. 2 months in a row.
You know what's crazy?
Okay. Hold on.
That's insane. You know what's crazy, dude, is I was looking back, I was like, okay, like when exactly did I get paid? And I took a payout February 25th. Didn't realize I took a payout on my mom's birthday. I was like, that's good.
I don't really want to risk this much,
And
but
then I took a payout March.
often. But we have so much liquidity below us.
And so like I don't really have like
We're bouncing right here. A lot of liquidity at 68.12. Oh shit, I'm missing it. I'm in it, fuck it.
Order filled. Order filled.
The only problem is my stop is so tight and I'm in for 3 contracts, so. But I'm also not trying to get that much. I'm literally trying to get $19 points. It's kind of close to the 23. I'm about to get stopped out here. This will be the last trade for sure. Oh, we got support. Every time I get into a trade, they jump in with support here, and now we're bouncing. Damn, they're stacking orders here, bro. If we don't sweep this level, they're gonna stop me out. Come on, bro. Oh, they're holding it here. They're holding it hostage at this level. I might have to put my stop in a bit higher here. They might take me out. Oh, they're bouncing it here, dude. My stop is way too close, right? I mean, my stop's at a decent spot. It's not really that bad, actually. If it goes up, we honestly don't want to take it, so. Come on, give me a sweep. If we get into balance here, it's going to be really quick. Dude, they have to sweep this level, bro. Come on. Yeah, they're holding it. They're holding it here, and they're bouncing it. Damn, I got screwed twice. Twice I got screwed today. Damn, I'm going to call it a day. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I'll probably call it a day after this trade if I get stopped out. I'm not taking any more after this. I think this is 3 trades now. Right, we took 1, 2, this is 3, yeah. And it wouldn't go any lower, and it could turn around here, but if it doesn't, I'm gonna get stopped out. So. I might just get out of this because it's taking so goddamn long, bro. I'm gonna get screwed. I don't like being in trades in this market for too long because the longer you stay in a trade, the bigger chance you have of a headline coming out and you get absolutely screwed. We do have a lot of liquidity here. Let's just hope that we run through this. I'll just take 36 and walk away. We are going higher here. That's wild. Yeah, we are pumping here. Wow, that's a big L today, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's a big L. They're taking it higher. That's a big L for real. What are we out? You're fully out? Yeah. I think I'm done for today because I'm actually down like 17 right now. Like almost 2 Gs. That's not really that nice. Okay, how many trades did we take today? So we took 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'm done for today. I can't take any more, at least for right now. I can't, especially with the way this thing's moving. Where's my entry here? It was 24,970. Yeah. Took 1, 2, and 3. Yeah.
I don't have a scenario like that. But it just goes to show, like, really the only way you'll fuck with accounts is exactly what Cochran point, which is watch every IG live trader saying like, yo, jump in my shit, and then you take one trade, you're down just 15 micros, and your shit blows up to 50 micros.
You know what I love? You
You
guys
can't
are
go on account. You can't go on account on one micro. You can get into someone drawdown and get into a violation on 1, 2 micros. It's going to be difficult.
what's that, bro?
No, I'm saying you can't get into a deep drawdown and violate the terms, where they eventually deny you a payout, and you can't do an account that easily on 1 or 2 micros. It's going to take so many attempts to eventually blow it, and perhaps you don't fix or figure out what you're doing wrong before you do that 2 micros a certain number of times to then blow the account. It's just what it is.
And you can do that, and like, it's a prime example. Once you get up over 2K, a lot of people are like, oh, I'm ready for a payout. I want to build. I want to have like a big day and build this profit. It doesn't work like that. Like that's when you really need to size down and trade smart because it's all about just so much payouts then, right? And we've had good conversations about that. And I feel like it's been a big shift for you since recognizing that because you've had multiple accounts ready for payouts, bro. And then you oversize, you take a bad day, and then boom, they're either in the violation, you don't have the 30% rule or whatever it may be, 30% rule, and you're just like, fuck, I wish I just traded my own size today, and I'd be fine, I'd be ready for the payout, or I'd be able to trade another day with right?
All it takes is one fucking day in the afternoon. You think they need to put on size, and people jump up by like, if you usually trade in 3, 4 micros, then all of a sudden you take on 10. Like, it's fucking torture.
Yeah, I mean, exactly. Look at MK. You think they will take that long down low, right? I promise you, some equal probably size that trying to take that low.
I'm so glad you said that, because this is how I know the session's fucking bullshit. I look at the 5 minute, we get a nice clean inversion, like through the, well, not super clean, but the reason why I like the 5 minute inversion is because it created equal lows on the sell side. So like 3 traces up, we take the entry, we don't deliver down the money low, or like the session's done for, there's not a lot of momentum right now, like, this is something I wouldn't even trade an eval on this shit. Like I'm just watching and hanging out with I'm actually working, like I'm actively doing shit.
good conversations today, though, guys. This is what it's all about. Like, I know you guys don't think this goes a long way. Just being involved in conversations, even if you guys are just listening and stuff. Like, I'm telling you, man, that's why I built this community, so we can have these conversations every day. Like, we take our trade and then we just talk about what we should be doing as a trader, what we should be doing as an individual to become the trader we want to be, right? Look at this. It's fucking fun.
Right? People are seeing this pump and they're probably licking their chops, dude. It's like, well, why is this happening? Do you know why? I don't. It's just random.
Exactly, and you know this thing gets so painful because whatever it is doing right now, it's gonna eventually dump.
Oh yeah. It's
From what I'm saying, I can't predict, but then it's giving that kind of structure, right? But then it just doesn't make sense that people want to take that London loaf if eventually they wanted to buy.
Yeah, I got chopped up pretty bad today. I'm not gonna lie. I mean that the loss is pretty small, but
right now are like 3-minute long question mark? 3-minute long? 3-minute long?
Are they really?
Are you
Yeah.
serious?
I'm not even in there. I'm just doing it.
Oh, I was gonna say.
I was looking at this app like waiting for it to inverse. I'm like, dude, 3-minute long, 3-minute long. And it
He's got
might
a fucking cult following for signals on that, eh?
it's because of the way he codes, dude, and he knows it. Like that's unfortunately it's where he makes his money because that's who he attracts, right? Like the one dude I can say who is doing it and is like really, really fucking impressive is PJ Trades MP.
Yeah.
Paul Silja, like he's
what the hell? That's wrong.
Oh, he's in my community on the free member. He came in a long time ago. It's crazy.
yeah, it's a little odd. Like him and Dodgy are boys, right? Like they're friends. Like they met up a little while ago and shit. And I don't even know why I followed some bullshit, but Dodgy like outed him a little while ago. He was like, yeah, this dude was literally like in my community, like watching trade recaps, asking questions, blah 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 blah. And now
It's like, I'm gonna send you the screenshot. I like him. I think he's awesome.
yeah, he's not cool.
He's been in everybody's community. I think just seeing what's going on, which is nothing wrong with that. No, nothing wrong
Wait,
with
why
that.
is it 130?
He's trying to build it.
The only reason why I didn't know for sure, bro, because he's not under a free member, obviously, right? But I was just going through and I was changing people's. Yeah, check that out. Click on that, bro. Look at that.
That's
I
sick.
would go.
Holy shit, 3 years ago.
I know, bro.
Holy.
Exactly. He was in here. It's so crazy, right? Like I remember. I got
What was the algo saying? Alright, well today I got a bit unlucky, I'm not gonna lie, because both times that I entered, I just so happened to enter at the time where price was going the opposite direction. Like the moment I entered, they started stacking orders at 6802, which makes it really difficult, but... Why is it saying,
But I think just, you know, like I think a lot of traders jump in, you know, into different communities. Like I've been in Dodgies, I've been in Trader Joe's been in mine too, just to see what's going on, you know what I mean? Check it out. It's business, right?
I guarantee you, like, if there was a
that's a bit strange, isn't it? I don't know, wait, hold on, let me...
protecting these like New York lunch, New York PM highs above 95, Brad, that 2-minute inversion, DJ probably would have sat in it all the way to London low.
Probably.
That's one thing that he does really well, that the minute I learn this, dude, and like can kind of like understand it on a discretionary basis, I'm gonna start printing fucking money. Is like, this is all over my journal. If you look at it, dude, like I told you what my entry was, right? It was 80. Entry was 80, stop is above the level, 20 points of risk, dude.
43, I mean these accounts are still okay, like they're at 1.8 to 2.2.
Even if I scaled out, like when we created equal lows at 97, 100-point banger in this shit.
Yeah.
And then what, these are like at what?
It's like
Yeah, no,
realistic.
definitely.
355. So yeah, profit's still really good. We're still up a lot this week. It's saying 756 here, 8. Okay, 1K. 1.6. It's tripping, dude.
It's crazy how fast we grew. I don't know. Like it's some people just it hits, right? It just hits.
Bro, what the hell is wrong with this
I like
thing,
it,
dude?
though.
This thing's completely wrong.
He's a little bit older too. I like that. You know what I mean?
I think he's 39, 40, something like that.
Yeah.
Bro, what?
I'm years younger than him. Absolute sugar mama.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Awesome. All right, guys. I'm gonna get out of here at 10:50. I mean, beautiful morning. We came in and traded our level. That's it. One done. About $600 and call it a day. I feel like everybody did take the trade. I'm gonna do a trade recap, but later.
I mean, reality is like tomorrow I'll probably make like 200 to 300 per account.
Everybody's green today. I think the conversation's really awesome today too. So appreciate you guys being part of those conversations. Let's continue to crush it. I'm not trading live tomorrow. Fridays I usually like to sleep in. I get up and trade. I usually just get up and take a snipe on my own board. So if you guys are green on the week, just make sure you come in tomorrow. Be very careful. You don't want to close the green. Like I said, it's been a tough week.
That's three really bad trades that I took today.
The technical and stuff, the sharp and all that shit. So this is a week that you really just want to get through. That you really just want to knock those down and stuff. So if you manage that, then good for you. Let's finish strong tomorrow. Hi guys, peace. Have a good rest of your day.
Peace, Brad.
Later, bro.
Peace. Peace, bro.
Alright, bro. What time is it? 8. I'm probably gonna get out of here like in 8 minutes. I mean, when you look at this, especially on the TraderView chart, it just looks so clean and normal that it doesn't make any fucking sense as to why you would have took that. Time is at 8. It's a good time to get up and start moving. Yeah, it's a bit. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I got caught twice. Yeah, I'm finna stop the stream here in like 5 minutes. But yeah, you can call me later. 9:41. That's a bit like, ugh. I mean, you gotta think about it this way though. Tomorrow, you know, we'll do the 80. Okay. And if we do 2, yeah, I can't believe I went short at the bottom there. That's crazy. And we never really broke these lows either, or even came close to these lows. Like that's. But tomorrow's gonna be a really good day, so I'm not even worried about it. Alright, I'm gonna stop the stream now because I'm gonna get out of here because I took like 3 trades already and today it's just not the best day to trade. We have a really important data dropping tomorrow, which is the reason why the market's not really doing anything. Like we're literally in a, what is this? 133 point range. Like that's so garbage. But I mean the best trade was up here. I'm gonna stop the stream now. You can tune in tomorrow or you can call me tomorrow or later today as well. Appreciate it for tuning in.